Probably one of the biggest tests for House Speaker Mike Johnson. What's your outlook on this bill being passed, especially with Republicans having such a narrow majority in the House?
I think first you have to appreciate this was a good faith effort. They've reached a top line agreement on the budget, as you noted, but it is going to be difficult moving forward. They have to get specific appropriations agreements on 12 bills, 4 of those due by January 19th. Our base case at this point is that we will have a partial shutdown just because some of those bills that are due on the 19th are going to be difficult to get bipartisan agreement on for the appropriations process, and there is just limited time at this point.
Yeah, certainly. Time is running out. As we see these negotiations get more and more tense and we reach that deadline, what's your outlook when it comes to House Speaker Mike Johnson? Of course, we know what happened to the previous House Speaker. Also want to touch on this Congress, historically rather unproductive, only 27 bills passed over the last year.
Narrow majorities make legislating really difficult, especially when you don't have your entire party behind you. And as you noted, conservatives are angry about this deal. They don't think that Johnson secured anything additional from what McCarthy secured in his deal. So he doesn't have his full conference behind him. That means that he's probably going to have to pass these appropriation bills under suspension of the rules. That means he needs a 2/3 vote in the House. So that means he needs Democratic votes, in addition to having bills that can pass a Democratic Senate and get signed by a Democratic president. So he is really limited in what he can do here. We're probably going to see rumors. I know that there were some news stories last night about some members talking about not ruling out the motion to vacate. At this point, I think that those conversations are too early, and I don't think that the majority of the Republican Party is eager to have another speakership fight just a couple months after September.
Okay, last but certainly not least, the investor impact. Do you believe that a partial shutdown or a full shutdown, is that a big macro risk or is that a big market risk?
Yeah, so we don't see, even full shutdowns really as big macro or market risks, let alone a partial shutdown that really impacts a very small portion of the government. What I would say, though, is I do think, we've had 3 of these now in the span of a couple of months. I think, investors are probably not paying too much attention to these news stories, and there are some broader implications here that are important. If they can't reach a deal, we do go into sequestration on May 1st, and their ability to reach a deal also has implications for a $100 billion plus tax bill that has R&D credit impacts, which would affect biotech and defense. It impacts the ability to get a deal on the border, Ukraine and Taiwan. So there are larger implications here that I think investors should be paying attention to.